Yo, what's up, everybody? Merry Christmas if you celebrate. If not, still happy holidays. And mission, I arrived to my family home, as you see. With Winnie is eating croissant like a chicken soup. She hungry. My brother will come at 6. So my mission today is I ordered 1,000 lights and gonna put on this Christmas tree. Christmas tree like this one is about, I don't know, 4 meter tall, and this one this one no chance. Actually is tall as the house. No chance for this one. This one is actually the same old as me, 35-year-old. So I'm gonna put on this one. It's -6 degrees. Beautiful sky actually. Still somebody fly for Christmas, I think, here. And just was thinking, if I'm not gonna able to put on this one, I'm gonna put on this one, the small one. Either way, Merry Christmas one more time. Thanks for being with us for almost 6 years, guys. 3 years ago, we celebrated Christmas in Singapore, maybe previous years in Bali. 2 years ago, first Christmas in Poland after 15 years. Yeah, after 14 years, actually. So yeah, pretty long day. Alright, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you the final effect. How does it look like? Alright, half of the success, I unzip it. So this is like a whole snake of the Christmas lights. I'm gonna show you. 68 meters, they said. Maybe actually if you stretch it up, this going like this one and up there. Crazy. Gonna make it. Called for Winnie, so I'm gonna film myself a little bit. Have a stick. The worst is to put on the top, yeah? Break the light itself. Alright, let's go. Alright, 20 minutes later it's done. Still sunset actually. Still before the first star. If you Polish, you know what I mean. A section, by the way, for my Polish viewers. Actually 1,000 lights was perfect for the size of the tree. If it will be less, not so good. If it will be more, like 2,000, slightly too much. Later at night I show you. Alright. Not bad and connected to the house. Alright. Maybe if I show you from this perspective, first signal will be better. Alright. Cool. If you ask me what is this place is for the smoking the meat. Traditional way. And this is all the wood what Papa, my dad, 75-year-old, bring it from the woods. I wish if I still alive at his age, I will be strong as him. Oh. And today is the Christmas tree of my mom. Some prezi, painting. Yeah, so nice. And then from the window, you have a view of this one, what I make. Alright. Good to be home over Christmas. My Christmas tree is lightning on. Winnie sleep. Squeezing around. Mom cleaning after the Christmas dinner. Should watch now Kevin Home Alone, huh? No, watching Kevin Home Alone. That's how it's supposed to be on the first day of the Christmas, right? And that's the Christmas tree, yeah. Alright, after eating over the Christmas, overeating, overdose of the calories and tasty food what Mama prepared for Christmas, my brother Martin already go home to see his wife, parents, you know, the traditions and stuff like this one is -5 degrees. We arrived in Iława. What do you think, cold? You happy as we came for Christmas? Look, I show you around. The lake freeze and the birds also freeze, actually, literally. Hold on, check this out. They're not even moving, like frozen. So everything is closed though. The birds here, they doesn't look, they feel warm. They hide their heads actually. Oh, now something scared them. And those two, they don't care. Literally, they freeze. They don't even really moving when I coming, and the lake is frozen. So for the birds, if they go there, they stand. It's just lake. They come with the bed. This one, some people walking. The lake is just literally frozen. The birds walking. Little bit like Jesus used to walk on the lake, but there was no frozen. What do you think, Sam? Enjoying -5 degree? So I say something to the camera.
No one word.
Look at me. Okay, we walk little bit and we go home, eat more sernik, dobra? Cheesecake from mama. The lake is frozen, widzisz?
Just no.
No?
Just that's the ice.
No? So when it's +5, it's very cold. When it's 0, it's very cold. But when it's -5, it's
Freezing.
it's just freezing. Winnie cannot handle it. You're not gonna hear from her outside. Sayang, co robisz? Sayang. You're clinical. Idziemy, chodź, because I don't want you to get sick, la.
No.
Get in car. Let's go, jedziemy. Sayang, what's going on?
Look at my hand. Look, straight forward wrinkle. Wrinkle.
You 5 minutes on the doors. It's actually 4 degree, not 5.
-4.
Yeah, -4. That's not -5. It was. Listen, show the water to the people, sir. We buy
My
yesterday
water is
aluminium bottle and
actually
frozen.
inside already becoming ice.
Yeah, because we left car outside, outdoors.
No, it is inside.
Poczekaj. Show.
Kochanie, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. It's
Już,
frozen. I don't know if you
już.
can see, but it's just frozen. First time actually you experience the proper winter, sir. It's
Oh my
only
God.
snow is missing, sir.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
It's so cool. Alright, guys. So I just laugh because, you know, second winter for Winnie, but it's like first really minus. Actually, yesterday was -degree and today is second day. Otherwise, always plus few degrees. So, anyways, another year in Poland, another Christmas with my family in my parents' place. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas if you celebrate, as I said at the beginning of the video. We will see you on next video somewhere. Bye.